Yes, he's our Senate President. I support him as our Senate President. I'm his pro tem. I support his position on making it justiciable in the Supreme Court. Na linawin na ng Supreme Court yung kapangyarihan ng Senado pagdating to abrogating treaties like this. Subukan natin.
Sir, so limited siya to this issue. It's an isolated. The dissent among members of the bloc.
You know, in all the bills, in many bills, there are dissent. Will that change the makeup of the majority in the Senate? I don't think so. Remember, in all the bills, Bamboo Development Act, majority naman ang nag-sponsor nun, di ba? So that's normal. I have amendments also in the bill. So, walang kamatayang Bamboo Development Act, di ba? Hindi naman dun lahat ng majority similar to the VFA. Of course, the VFA issue is a bigger issue.
Okay.
Now, it's not that I'm against terminating the VFA, yeah? I'm just saying that may timing, to me, if you read my former statements, my previous statements, is that may timing yan. Paghandaan natin, if you want to terminate the VFA, na handa tayo, hindi pabigla-bigla.